Hello mga ka-G! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to shop. To go to the mall, and we will have a challenge to spend only 5 KD for the whole shopping.
Each na? 5 KD each?
Yeah. Oh my God, how we're going? Is it a good challenge?
Including food, it's 5 KD each.
So the question is, are we gonna make it? I don't know, but we will try. 5 KD challenge for the whole shopping day.
What are the consequences?
So what is the consequence if ever somebody exceeded for 5 KD?
Magbabayad ng mama sa akin.
So,
Going to ano?
so
Pair the pair.
So if
lose will pay the fare.
yes, ever lose the challenge, she will pay the fare. Let's start the challenge now, and we will go to the Avenues Mall. Bye-bye. See you later. We're here in the mall now. So ngayon ang tanong, saan naabot ang 5 KD mo? Right, guys? So we are so excited to spend this 5 KD.
Hindi ako excited sa 5 KD.
Let's see. Pasok ba sa budget?
Dalawa. Kasi dalawa. Kung pag-3, kahit yung mga 6 KD.
Pero maganda naman siya.
Alak, ano? Ganda ng kulay. Hindi ko talaga sobrang. Ang haba naman. Magkano yun, 4. Pwede rin. Ayan na, maganda.
Ayan, puti.
Hindi po. Dahil wala na akong budget. Hindi. Oo nga, no. Laki ng ano. Dapat 7. No? Anong size ka? 8 yan, te. Ayan. Sa kabila ba 7? Hindi ako sa ano niya ako. Doon ako sa 7.
Tingin tayo yung mga around 2.5 to 3. Yan. Para
Sabi ko na, mapapabili ko eh.
may budget pa naman tayo ah. Wala pa tayo nabibili ah.
Oo. Dito ako sa kabila. May nakikita.
Ganda, oh.
Ito parang gusto ko. Ayan. Magkano yan, te?
3 KD.
Oh, pwede.
Cute siya, pero pili pa ng madami. Dapat yung best of.
Pareho, kaso.
Ayan.
Nabang 1 KD.
Sa pambata.
So, ano yung nabili mo, Mikes?
Sapatot.
Sapatot. How about you?
American Eagle sandals. Worth 2 KD.
Yeah.
We will try to buy a complete outfit worth 5 KD with beard blunt.
Wow! Let's see. Yeah. Actually, we already bought one item. It cost us only for 2 KD. And we still have how much, guys? 3 KD more. So, the challenge is, can we find something worth 3 kb. I don't know how we're going to pull through with this. Let's see.
You
never know. Maybe you can buy a dress worth 1 kb.
The best thing about this challenge is we can enjoy for only like less money, and we can enjoy the day. You can enjoy
Even without lots of money, you can still enjoy as long as
you know how to budget.
Gusto mo yung mga kasama mo, bonding.
Yes.
Kala ko sabihin na, you know how to make Suprema.
Yeah. And you know, and you're with a good company. And also, the best part of it, you know how to spot a good sale.
True.
And we are the best of that challenge.
And,
Makakatipid pa tayo. So now mga ka-G, we're back. We're here in IKEA Bistro, and this is the most, I think, the affordable area to dine in or to eat. So, how much is your bill?
1 point.
So, what are those 1.6?
Water and potatoes.
Yeah, okay. So, you've got only how much left?
1.4.
1.4. Yeah, manage is buntes. Kaya, yan. Kailangan dalawa. Kaya, okay, eat ka na. What did you bought?
I bought some tortilla shawarma worth 700 pills.
Oh.
This one, the unlimited coffee. You can choose cappuccino, mocha latte, espresso, anything you want. You can get them all together if you want.
Okay, so 200 fills. So total, all in all,
900 pills.
so 900 fills. And how much left on your budget?
2.1.
2.1. So, okay, ako naman. Thank you. And the cost for me is only 500 fills.
Plus you have your own drink. Not water, no?
I bought only 500 fills because I bring my own. Nakakaya. Wait. Because I bring my own water. Yeah. And also, yeah, only 500 fills. So I have 2.5 left on my budget.
Lukay girls. May nakasampay na sa balikat ng iati.
Inaano ko pa lang.
Winiweigh pa niya. Hello mga ka-G! Welcome back to wrap up the day. We're done spending our 5KD for the challenge. Okay, let's start with Gladys. So, what are the 5KD na na-spend mo?
So, na-spend ko for 5KD. First, I bought American Eagle sandals. It was 10KD before and now it's 2KD. Right?
Yeah, wow.
Amazing.
Yes. Napakaganda.
Then, I bought, anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam po ano tawag dito, pero ito yung pandilig ng halaman. So, it's only 100 feels. Okay, yeah. So,
200 feels.
So, how much?
2.2.
2.2. And this one, this is the baso. Glass.
Yeah.
It's so nice, see? Oh, di ba?
Nice.
Guess how much it is? 500
Feels.
only. So it's on 1 kg for 2 pieces.
Yeah.
And how, magkano na ba nun? 3.2. And the rest, 3.2. Yung 1.7, naano ko siya sa foods. Bumili ko ng 1 tortilla. Nakabili din ako ng unlimited coffee, isang 1 bottled water, and nakabili pa ako ng isang yogurt, o diba?
Wow. Check.
So, check. Exactly 5 kg.
Yeah.
So, I think I won the game.
Yeah. Yes, let's see the other contender. Let us see Michael's 5KD challenge.
Hi! So, same with Ate Gladys. I bought sandals for 2 kg. It's almost the same style. Color lang talaga. And then, sa IKEA, ganun din, yung pang water ng plants. So, it's 200 fills kasi 100 each. And then, I bought also the water glass. Same lang naman siya. So, it's 500. And then, I bought the, parang light siya na pwedeng emergency light siguro. 250 each pack. So, it's 500. Tapos, so this one is 2, 3, 3.2. Tapos, this one is 800 fills. Battery siya para dito. So, 4 kg. And then, yung kinain ko, 1.6. Matakaw. Bumili ng water, nakadalawang bottled water.
Oh!
Dalawang hotdog, and then potato wedge. Gutom tayo eh.
5.6. Okay. Let us see myself.
So, let us see kung ano po yung mga pinamili ko. And, yeah, meron din po akong sandals. And it cost like 2 kg only. So, di ba? Ang ganda. Ganda-ganda niya, guys. Ano siya? Sulit. Yung 2 kg. And, yeah. Tapos, I bought this shirt from Bershka. 1.5 po.
Wow.
Ganda, diba? So, ang ganda ng message niya.
We will change
the world
stronger together. Wow.
And it's white. So, because white signifies peace on earth, right? So,
Purity.
ang ganda niya. Kaya, binili ko siya 1.5. So, I have 3.5.
Okay.
And, ito kasi, very, ano din siya. Ang ganda din kasi niya. So, naano ako sa IKEA. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng flamingo na
Design
niya. Ang ganda niya kasi, 500 fills lang yung 4. Makikita mo.
Siya ang kapal, di ba? Ang kapal nung quality.
So, in fairness naman, sulit na siya sa 500 fills, guys. Meron pa po akong nabamili. Ang dami to, di ba? Sulit, guys. Sabi ko talaga.
So, how much na?
So, 2 KD, 1.5.
3.5, 4 KD.
4 KD kasi 500 fills.
Tapos
meron pa po akong nabili sa As Is kasi punta kami sa As Is. So,
explain mo ano yung As Is.
As Is, ano ba yun? Yun yung sa part sa IKEA na discounted yung mga prices.
Yes.
Ay, siguro kasi
sila yung mga display items.
mga display items, normally mga nandun. Okay, so I bought this one.
Wow, ang ganda,
So kasi gusto kong i-design yung room namin. So, for 200 fills, guys. Okay? Gusto ko itong bilhin talaga dati ba? So, sa As Is nakita ko po, magnet. Pwede siyang gamitin sa ref. Board namin sa clinic. So, kaya bumili po ako. So, 200 fills and this one is 300 fills. Also, in As Is sa IKEA. So, 500 fills po yung dalawa.
So, half dinar. So, 4.5.
4.5.
Oh,
and yung nakita nyo kanina, dun sa pagkain sa IKEA, may pagkain pa yun guys ha, 4.5. Naka 500 fills lang po ako. Kasi nagbaon po ako ng water. And
may baon po siyang tubig, guys.
May baon po akong tubig. Kasi I believe na yung water kasi is free. Kaya mas okay siya na baonin na lang para hindi ka nabili ng bili. Kasi kung i-combine mo lahat ng pinambili mo for the whole year ng water, sana pwede mo siyang ma-spend sa ibang bagay. Which is yung water naman is free na makukonsume mo, diba? So, kaya nagbaon po ako ng tubig. Para kasi po, yung 500 fills o 2 pa, nakabili na po ako nito or
Wow.
somewhere else. Kaya, yon. So, yan, yung challenge po. Ang dami ko
Achieve.
na for 5 KD. Achieve!
Achieve! So, sino ang talo? Nga.
Cute!
Pero masaya po siya. Siya po nagbayad ng taxi namin po uwi. So, it's ano lang. It's
It's a
very nice po.
Thank you, Mike!
Ayan,
Salamat sa akin.
ayan
Thank you
po.
so much, guys. And ako po si Hanido Castillo Bonifacio na nagsasabing, ano man ang hamon lang yung buhay, go, go, go lang mga ka-G!